Hi, second grade. Happy Wednesday. All of our students today are virtual, so I'm going to go over your math assignments today. So usually every day you'll come to the specific page of the date and the subject, and here we will tell you what your assignments are for today. So today I'm going to be talking about math, explaining to you what you will be doing today for your math subject. So you'll want to go to PowerSchool. Obviously, that's where you found this video, and make sure you watch all of this video to find out what you should be doing and where to go. On the right here is going to be your Wednesday to-do list. So the first one says watch the welcome video for a summary of today's math assignments. Next, you're going to listen to the Even Steven and Odd Todd story. You may access this link through Seesaw, but also if you hit click here, it will pop up too. So you'll hit click here just like that. And this read aloud is going to show up right here on YouTube for you. Next, you are going to, after you've listened to the story, you'll complete the activity on Seesaw that goes with that story. It's called Even Steven and Odd Todd Sort. Next, there is a worksheet on Seesaw called Even and Odd. Even Steven and Odd Todd writing activity on Seesaw. The worksheet Even or Odd Number, and then you will complete 20 minutes on Dreambox today. So I will go through your work for the day. Let's go to our scheduled activities, and I will show you what needs to be done for the day. So the first thing you're going to want to do is this Even Steven and Odd Todd sort. Here is where you will access the link to the story. If you click right here, that story is going to open up for you, and you'll be able to listen to that. But make sure when you do it, you have to click on this. Click on the screen itself and go and take your cursor and put it right here for the video. After that, you're going to start by hitting Add Response. And then this is going to pop up for you, and you will be able to click and move these wherever you would like for Even Steven or Odd Todd. When you're done, go ahead and hit the check mark. The next thing you're going to want to do, let me get back to where I was this, what was that? It was the odd and even right here. So you're going to complete the problems below. So this, you circle the odd numbers, circle all the even numbers, and circle the even numbers blue and color the even numbers blue and color the odd numbers red. Very similar to what we did yesterday. The next thing you're going to do is this. It's the Even Steven and Odd Todd writing activity. So it says you are going to write a new event that happens to Even Steven and Odd Todd when they go to Twin Lakes. And when you watch the video of the book, that's going to make more sense to you. So you may write more than one event, but you must write one. Please write this on a separate piece of paper and submit a photo. You're going to do this by hitting Add Response, just like I did. Let me go back to it. Add Response, and you can click Photo. It's not going to let me because my camera is being used, but you'll just take a picture, take a very nice picture so I can read it, and upload that photo for me. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to do is this even or odd number. Looks like this. So the directions say shade your numbers on the grid, circle even or odd, and then answer the question at the bottom, which says, what is the difference between an even number and an odd number? So write that down after you shade it in. So remember that all even numbers have a pair. So you should see that when you shade that in and then write that answer.